these guys here are tiger flathead. Fat as anything. Wait till you see the fillets that come off these big ones. I always say it, but saltwater fish get washed in salt water. Don't wash them in fresh. I'm just giving these a quick bath to get the scales off. Alrighty, now let's get to business. I'm going to use my boning knife on this. Nice and easy, in behind there. When you think of Victorinox knives, you know quality is what you are buying. This is the new Fibrox range. It's got the blue handle, so that's how you know it's the Fibrox range. There's 5 in the series. You've got 2 fillet knives, a 15 and a 20 centimeter flexible blade. You've also got 2 boning knives. You've got a stiff 15 centimeter boning knife and a flexible 15 centimeter boning knife. And then there's also a big wide blade boning knife as well. That's great for when you're cutting through big solid pieces of fish, or even if you have to knock through a couple of rib bones. Absolutely perfect. Yeah, both. These are quality from start to finish. At the back end, ergonomic handles, and that's important. When you're doing a lot of filleting, a lot of fish cleaning, you want the handle to be comfortable. They give you good grip. They're nice and light in weight, but they also give the knife balance. When it comes to the steel, it's high quality stainless steel. Out of the packet, these things are absolutely razor sharp. But because the stainless steel is so good, it means that A, the knife will hold its edge longer, but B, when it comes time to getting that edge back on the knife, whether it's with a steel or a stone, it's much easier to do that because it's good quality stainless steel. From here, I'm going to trim the fillets up. I'm going to take these bones out, and for that, you want a flexible knife. The other thing, you can put these knives in the dishwasher if you want, or you can just hand wash them as I prefer to do. I hate bones in fillets of fish. They are an absolutely beautiful knife, new in store. The Victorinox Fibrox knives, there's 5 in the range to have you covered for every situation you will ever need. Just remember the blue handle and you know you're getting the Fibrox.